tournament got canceled, so we were in plan for something else.
From an earlier long-form video, we had Mysterious Blader number 2, and I don't remember if he's in an actual short, but he actually had a birthday recently. We got some Beyblade micros. I'll probably make a video about that later. We got Gill Shark and Weiss Tiger, or Pearl Tiger, and something that Mysterious Blader number 1 brought to us, Reaper Incendio. Finally got Kick, guys. Sorry about the bad quality, but here's Kick. Nothing special. We got 470. Knowledge! Stay with your knowledge. The Turn Assist Blade. The Reaper Main Blade. Scan that QR code. And the Reaper Chip. Look at that. Hell's Reaper or Reaper Incendio. 470 Kick. Early in the video, we got Gill Shark, 470 Orb, Weiss Tiger, 360 Unite. Test rip. Actual launcher rip.